Hello, good afternoon. Meron ako i-share sa inyo, nakakatuwa. Kasi meron akong isang client here. I have a client whose daughter, actually, we already met her last year. Mga 4-year-old siya. Gosh, she is such a smart girl. And she's kind of like so, confident, and she talks a lot, but she's so funny. Tapos, she can read, whatever I have in my office, she can read it at the age, well, I don't know, 4, but 5 years old na siya ngayon. And she's such a fashionista. I did not take a picture or video her. Kasi, ang ganda-ganda niya. And I just wanna make her my mysterious friend. Kasi I'm gonna go borrow her one of these days or after the taxi so we can go and eat, just go. I don't have a kid, parang sarap-sarap niya ampunin. So watch our conversation, okay? Okay, I have a friend here. You wear your glasses. That's much prettier.
These are only sunglasses.
Those are because there is no sun inside, so you don't want to wear your sunglasses.
Yes, only at the dentist.
You can't see because it's so dark.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I only wear glasses inside the dentist because the lights are so bright.
It's so bright because you cannot see it. Okay, let me see. What's the name of your cousin again? Hindi ko siya ipapakita kasi masyadong maganda itong batang to kaya.
Brooklyn and Malia?
Yeah, you're talking about your cousin. Let's make chismis. You know what chismis is?
Do you mean Swiss Miss?
What's it? So what's Swiss Miss? That's a cheese spread.
Oh, sorry.
So who's your favorite cousin?
I have no favorite cousins.
Why?
Because all of them are my favorite.
All of them are your favorite. So you play with them.
Yep.
I heard from your mom. You said something for one of your cousin. You wish for her birthday. What is that? What did you say?
To Malia.
What did you say to Malia?
About her attitude.
Yeah.
Oh, you forgot?
You have to improve it.
Why is it that Malia needs to improve her attitude?
Because she keeps on biting my shoulder.
Ah.
And my mama keeps on telling her not to do that.
Oh, that's right.
She doesn't do that anymore.
Oh, okay. So, how old is Malia?
4.
Oh, so you're older than Malia.
Yeah, she has to skip one more number and then she's also my age.
No, because if she goes to your age is gonna go up too. You're still older.
If she's 5 years old now, I'm gonna be 6 years old.
Correct. You're so smart. You are very smart, girl.
I know all of my numbers.
Oh, you do? Okay. Do you know how to count?
I only stop counting until
when? What?
100.
Oh, you can count until 100?
Yes,
really?
But sometimes I forget the numbers near 100.
You're not exaggerating?
What's that?
It's like you said that you can count until 100. That's too exaggerating for a 5-year-old like you.
Yeah.
Because 5-year-old like you can only count until 10.
Some of my cousins do.
And what about, do you know how to say ABC?
Wait, why does it say them?
It says about my cat. I have a cat.
Can you read that?
Can you read that now?
It says the cat doesn't fetch.
The cat doesn't fetch. What does it mean? Do you understand? Because that's English.
Yeah.
Can you interpret that to me?
I don't.
The cat doesn't fetch because it's
that-
only dog can fetch.
Yes.
Ah, right?
Yes.
Only dog, but cat does not fetch. Only the dog can fetch.
Because the cat has to be bigger to see it in the tall grass.
Yeah, but sometimes cat doesn't go out. They don't want to go out. Only dogs like to go out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a dog.
How is your dog?
It's staying at the house.
Do you play with your dog?
No.
No. What is the name of your dog?
Nisha.
Oh, it's a girl?
Uh-huh.
Is she nice?
But she barks at everybody.
Except for you?
Except she sometimes barks at my mama and papa when they're entering our house. And even my whole family, she'll bark.
Really?
Mm.
So, are you not in school yet?
I just finished going to my preschool.
Oh, you did? Ay, preschool. Nagbinayaran mo preschool nito? Okay, claim natin yun. So, did you like your preschool? Do you have classmates? Who is your favorite classmate? Not favorite, but who is your best friend?
Now I have ballet now. I have a favorite. I have one friend that's my favorite in my ballet school.
Really? What's her name?
I go to her house.
Oh, what's her name?
Gwen.
Gwen? Is he a Filipino?
No.
Oh, he's American.
Yes, the spelling is GWEN.
Wow, you're a genius. You know that you're a genius? You're very smart. At your age, at 5-year-old, you can spell, and you can even.
Where's my sister?
Oh, they already took your sister.
You have to leave your
Yeah.
here.
No.
Do you sing?
Only karaoke.
Oh,
Sometimes I sing my favorite song.
so what's your favorite song?
Get Lost.
What's that? Can I hear that?
That's Moana 2.
Oh, I have not watched Moana 2.
I watched Moana 2, but not in my house. I watched it at the demon's house.
Oh, not the big house? The movie house?
Nope.
Yeah, why?
Because my mama was
Because you know, if you watch them at the movie house, you're gonna have popcorn. Yeah.
We didn't want popcorn. Guess what? We were eating.
You're eating what? Are you eating French fries?
No.
What do you want? French fries or popcorn?
I have to tell you what I was eating in my Tata Dimi's house. Fish crackers.
What kind of fish crackers?
It looks like chicharron, but it's curved and it's very hot. My Tato Biki made it.
Maybe they put vinegar on that. That's why it's spicy. Is it spicy?
Nope.
Nope. But you like the fish cracker? Oh. See, I have somebody. I'm filing her taxes. Yeah, I'm interviewing her. We're vlogging I'm not showing her face because she's so beautiful. Yeah, she was looking. I cannot. I know. Okay.
I want to be done interviewing.
Okay. Say goodbye to my vlog. Goodbye. Bye vlog. Say bye vlog.
Bye vlog.
Yeah, make it louder.
Bye vlog.
Okay, we're done because I have to do the mom and dad's taxes.